Hello, Harrison Smythe here.
Hello.
This is my wife, Mrs. Harrison Smythe.
But for the purposes of this film, you can call me Erotica.
Fantastic. Well, today we're on an aeroplane, and we are going to talk about the health and safety issues related to flying, and in particular, lavatories. Very dangerous places, we feel. Very dangerous indeed. So, it may be me, because it's a rather small place, those lavatories, and there's not space for two of us, unfortunately, but we will do our best. Anyway, Erotika's got a few words to say, I think, before we actually start.
Well, Sparty, I just want to say it's dangerous enough to take an aeroplane flight, but to actually make a visit to the toilet, I wish you luck, and I will think of England.
Thanks, Erotica. Let's go for it. Well, here we are on the toilet, and firstly the tap. Right, push that, and bloody hot water, and a bit of turbulence, and that is well, that's just so dangerous, that's ridiculous. No, ban it, that's scalding. Ow, 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 you're gonna get burnt. Now, to the right here, we've got this thing that says push. Look, what's down here? Bloody abyss, there's nothing down there. Dangerous, or what? Handrails, germs, stomachache at the post. Do not touch at any cost. Do not touch, I warn you, do not touch. Toilet rolls, looking very loose, could just unravel, get wrapped around your feet, you could really have a problem with those. Tangled up, falling over, dangerous or what? Let's try for a flush. Oh my god, what the hell, that's going to suck me down into nothingness. Avoid at all costs. And this, dangerous, fall on your head, bish bash bosh. Best advice, hold it in. Oh my god, just come back, and Erotika's obviously got rather bored, and Struth, Erotica, how much have you been drinking?
Sparty, all the wine was free. I thought it would be quite safe. 25.
Well, I hope you found that useful. Now we're going to actually sign off, so it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.
But before we do, we're possibly going to try the Southern Club, we feel. We ought to be trying. Is that right, Erotica?
Yes, we've heard about it. It's called the Mile High Club.
Apparently, we thought we'd give it a whirl, so bye.
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 Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hang on, it's good.